In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control wall height with constraints in Revit. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get reliable results every time. The goal is to control a wall's height either by linking it to building levels or by giving it a fixed standalone height. Tying walls to levels is great for coordinated projects because if your levels change, the walls update automatically. Using a fixed height is useful for one-off elements or when levels aren't relevant to that wall. Start by selecting the wall you want to adjust. Click the wall in your model to highlight it. Once it's selected, look to the Properties palette. This is where you'll see the wall's instance properties, including the parameters that control how tall it is and what it's attached to. First, find the top constraint. This defines where the top of the wall stops. If you choose a level like level 2, the wall will extend up to that level. The advantage of using a top constraint is consistency. If level 2 moves up or down later, your wall follows automatically, keeping your design coordinated. Next, check the base constraint. This tells Revit where the wall starts. Setting it to a level, such as level 1, anchors the bottom of the wall to that level. With a base at level 1 and a top at level 2, the wall's height is governed by those levels and will remain accurate as your building evolves. If you don't want the wall tied to levels, switch to an unconnected condition. In that case, look for the Unconnected Height field in the Properties palette. This is where you define an explicit height. Simply type the new height, and the wall will extend to that exact value, independent of any levels. This is ideal when you need a specific dimension that won't change with the project's level structure. A quick note on behavior. When a wall is connected to levels, the unconnected height field becomes inactive because the height is being driven by those constraints. When you set the wall to unconnected, that field becomes active so you can enter a number directly. After making your choice and entering the value or selecting the levels, the model updates immediately so you can see the result. That's all there is to it. Select the wall, use the Properties palette, choose top and base constraints if you want level-driven behavior, or use unconnected height for a fixed dimension. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage wall heights with confidence.